Hi, second graders. How are you? We are going to continue talking about consonant clusters, just like we did yesterday. And I want you to take a look at this consonant clusters and digraphs chart. We're going to start with this first column. We have this word bridge, crown, drum, frog, grapes, pretzel, and truck. What do you notice about all of those words? Yes, they all have the R sound. And with the consonant cluster, remember, you can hear both of the sounds of that consonant cluster. So we can hear brr, we can hear the B and the R for bridge. Read these with me. Crown, drum, frog, grapes, pretzel, and truck. Let's take a look at the second column. The second column, what words do you see? We have scarf, skeleton. We have snake. Oh, wait a second. Oh, not snake. I'm sorry, it's kind of small. We have smoke. We have snake. We have spoon. We have star, and we have the word swing. What do you notice about all of the words in this column? Yes, they all start with the letter S with the S sound. Good. What do you notice about the words in the third column? We have block, cloud, flag, glasses. What word is this? We have play, and this is a jump rope. We have play, we have slide, we have question, and we have 20. What do you notice about the words in this column? So the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first of these words all start with different letters, but the second letter is the letter L, right? L. Like black, cloud. And again, in that consonant cluster, you can hear both sounds. Now down here, it's a little different. Question and 20. Those stand out. Those are a little different because those do not have their second letter as L. Let's look at the fourth column. We have the word screw. We have the word splash. We have spring. We have square, and we have string. What do you notice about these words? About these consonant clusters? Yes, they all start with the letter S. And you can hear each sound in that consonant cluster. Screw, screw. Right? Same thing with all of them. Let's see. We can take another look at string. String, string. Let's take a look at this last column. This last column is a little different. So we have the word chair. We have the word phone. We have shovel, we have thumb, and we have whale. The difference, second graders, with these words, do you know what it is? They're different because these words, these two letters, just make one sound. Those are digraphs. So chair, the C and the H make the ch sound. And for phone, the PH makes the f sound. For shovel, the SH makes the sh sound. For thumb, the TH makes the th sound. And for whale, the WH makes the w sound. So it's different than a consonant cluster, because in a consonant cluster, you can hear each of the sounds. We are going to take a look at a poem. And this poem is called The Brook. And it's from something called Words That Sing. And what we're going to do is we're going to read it together. So I'm going to read it, and I want you to follow along, do the best you can, and read it with me. Okay, second graders? And what we're going to do is we're going to be noticing. We are definitely going to notice some consonant clusters in this poem. So I'm going to hold it up like this so you can see it. And I'm actually going to switch sides so I can read it a little better. But it's called The Brook. Grumbling, stumbling, fumbling all the day, fluttering, stuttering, muttering away, rustling, hustling, rustling as it flows. This is how the brook talks, bubbling as it goes. Let's read it again. Grumbling, stumbling, fumbling all the day, fluttering, stuttering, muttering away, rustling, hustling, rustling as it flows. This is how the brook talks, bubbling as it goes. Do you see any examples of consonant clusters? If you take a look, you're going to notice that my example actually has some of them highlighted. So if you look in that first line of our poem, grumbling, the GR is a consonant cluster, grumbling. And for the second word, stumbling, that's a consonant cluster too, stumbling. It's the same thing with fluttering, fluttering, and stuttering. And then if you look at stuttering, the same consonant cluster is right above it with stumbling, As we move down, there's the word flows, flows, which begins the same as fluttering, flows. And then we have this word brook, brook. That starts with the BR, consonant cluster. Okay? Now, we are going to continue on with our phonics work on Seesaw. So make sure you go into your Seesaw activity and you do the activity so you can practice more with our consonant clusters. All right, second graders, I will try my best to achieve my success.